What all he's trying to do is to rip me apart while stabbing me the most poisonous dart. Even though they say no such thing as lost soul, every time I get these in, it messes up my goal. And guess what? He throws me in the deepest hole. And it don't matter how much I try, but with a surprise it makes him die. He's so mean, won't even let me cry. Even now, all he wants me is a bed with the belly bones, and he bones to death. Do I gotta say more or enough said? So what the eats a humble bone from the brother? What the eats a humble bone from the brother? So what the eats a humble bone from the brother? Oh wow, I'm only living there. What in the world is wrong with me? Wow, won't you love me, baby? What in the world is he want from me? Oh, wow, won't you love me, baby? What in the world is he want from me? Wow, won't you love me, baby? What in the world is he want from me? Get up! Driving harder to get on the right track. Cause we ain't playing no more jack. So to the Lord we will be yearning, and the title we will be learning. Believe me, brothers, it's the best we'll be earning. And through thriller we will fight, cause we're gonna take him in the darkest night. Cause he ain't raving away, all that's right. So what you gonna do, Yetzer? So what you gonna do, Yetzer? What? What you gonna do, Yetzer? So 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 what you gonna do, Yetzer? You're gonna let me be. You're gonna stay away from me. Oh, you're gonna let me be. You're gonna stay away from me. Oh, you're gonna let me be. You're gonna stay away from me. Oh, you're gonna let me be. You're gonna stay away from me.